I'm back with more banana desserts. Because I wasn't gonna waste them. So let's see how many frosted banana Sara Lee cakes I can fit in my mouth. Cake number 1. Never again. Some milk. After that, I think it's right that I just enjoy one. Leftover cakes from my car video earlier. A bit stale now. Yeah, that Prime Bite brownie is now hard as a rock. And low-key still feel them cakes in my throat. Stale, but still so peak. Nothing better than stale banana desserts at 5 a.m. Banana milk straws. We're making frozen banana cereal. Some very cold cereal. Let's get some banana cream pie nerdy nuts. Banana rice cake. Marshmallowy goodness for real. Might as well have another. How that is gonna be peak. Frozen fruit be freezing up the milk is low-key turning like halfway into ice cream. This is kind of peak. Oh, there's one more cake. I low-key have this muffin, but it's just sitting here to watch the review. We're not gonna eat it. No loser chat. Yo, furnace just kicked in, but I'm sure you don't mind. It's like 25 below out right now. Look at that thick out of there. Last of the nerdy nuts. Banana desserts are still peak.